Man, everything is getting more expensive. Gas is up, groceries are up. Everything's just all we hear about is inflation, inflation, inflation. And then we get one of these bright yellow letters in the mail saying that our property's been reassessed and that the value of it is jumped a whole bunch. So obviously that means our taxes are going up too, right? Well, maybe not. I'm Eric Widener with the Knox County Real Estate Group, and there has been a lot of confusion about how our property taxes work and about this letter. So I would like to take a few minutes and try to explain that and hopefully ease any concern you might have. So first of all, a couple unique things about our area. Number one, Knox County does a countywide reassessment every 4 years. Okay, so if you've owned your home for 4 or more years, number one, you have probably seen your appraised value jump a lot because property values have gone up a lot. Homes are selling for a lot more than they were 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Okay, so that's one thing. The other thing is you need to know that Tennessee has a law that makes everything revenue neutral. Okay, so our county can't take a windfall just because all of our properties became more expensive. Let me explain that a little bit more. Um, because the averages across the board, Knox County's property assessor says that property's gone up 40%. They now are going to have to make an adjustment to the tax rate and lower it by 40%. So ultimately, at the end of the day, this really isn't that big of a deal. What that's going to look like is if your property went up by 40% from last year, if you take the two numbers and it's 40%, you probably won't see any change in your taxes. If your property increased more than 40%, then you may see a slight increase. Okay. But the opposite is also true. If your property did not increase by 40%, maybe it was 30, 20% or whatever, you can actually see your property taxes go down. So that's good news. Um, so this is a pretty cool feature. There was a lot of confusion, a lot of people upset and worried. A lot of people move here to avoid high taxes, like they have in other states and other areas. And so it's comforting to know that we don't really have to worry about that. So it's what makes Tennessee great. So with that being said, if you have questions about this form, if you have questions about property taxes, I'd love for you just to give me a shout. You can reach out to me via email, call, or text, and let's talk about it. I'd love just to hear from you. If you found this information in this video and below, if you found it helpful, I would definitely love to hear from you. I included a video from the Tennessee Comptroller so you can see exactly how they explain it as well. And anyways, at the end of the day, I hope it just helps ease any concern that you might have. Again, I'm Eric White with the Knox County Real Estate Group, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later. Bye.